Hello all you super geniuses out there. Welcome to another video lecture from Super Genius 99. Today we're going to do some more geometry. And let's read the instructions. State the hypothesis and the conclusion. So you kind of think of this as cause and effect or if-then. Okay. So your hypothesis is usually worded in an if statement, and then your conclusion would be the result. So let's look at the first one. And I'm going to underline hypothesis in blue, the conclusion in red. Okay. If you go out dancing, you will have a blast. Okay, so what is your hypothesis? It's pretty easy. It's in the if statement. So if you go out dancing, and then the conclusion is you will have a blast. Okay, let's look at the next one. If two lines are parallel, they will never intersect. So what is your hypothesis? Pretty simple. If two lines are parallel, what's the conclusion? They will never intersect. So hypothesis usually can be, usually is the if statement. Let's look at the next one. All angles of a triangle are equal if the triangle is equilateral. So, what is your hypothesis? If the triangle is equilateral. And what is your conclusion? All angles of the triangle are equal. Okay, everybody see that? Alright, how about the next one? All squares are rectangles. So we have to come up with our own if statement from this all-inclusive, all squares are rectangles. So let's think about it. If an object is a square, it's also a rectangle. Is that true, right? Yes or no? Yes. So if an object is a square, there's our if, then it also is a rectangle. So all squares are rectangles. If an object is a square, then it's a rectangle. Okay. Let's look at the next one. I go jogging when it's not cold outside. We don't see an if statement in there directly, but what would be the hypothesis and the conclusion? What is the condition here? What has to be, what is the whole sentence riding on? Well, the condition is when it's not cold outside. Okay. So that's kind of like the action, and the reaction would be I go jogging. Okay. Let's look at that one. If two chords have equal lengths, then the area of the chords, or the area of the arcs, are congruent. So if two chords have equal length, you should say the area of the arcs are congruent. Okay. So what is the if? Pretty simple. If two chords are equal lengths, and then this should say arcs. So if two chords are equal length, and then your conclusion, the area of the arcs are congruent. Okay. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportional. So the ifs pretty much give it away. What the hypothesis is, if two triangles are similar. And what's your then statement? Then corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, this concludes another video lecture. SuperGenius99.com. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.